Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Henry, a registered acupuncturist with over 25 years of experience in Chinese medicine. Today, I want to share a powerful yet simple shower technique to help with cold hands, cold feet, and overall yang deficiency, a condition we often see in Chinese medicine when the body's internal warmth is lacking. In traditional Chinese medicine, yang deficiency is like a furnace running low. It struggles to circulate warmth throughout your body, leaving you with cold limbs, fatigue, or even a general feeling of chilliness. But don't worry, there's a way to stoke your internal fire, and it's as easy as making a slight adjustment during your daily shower. The star of the show is DU14, Dazhui, an acupuncture point located at the base of your neck, just below the 7th cervical vertebra. This point is a major energy hub for boosting yang energy and promoting warmth and circulation because it is the meeting point of all 6 yang meridians. Here's how you can easily locate DU14 yourself. First, tilt your head slightly forward to feel the bony bumps at the back of your neck. The most prominent bump is your 7th cervical vertebra, C7. DU14 is located in the depression just below that bump, right along the midline of your spine. Here's how to use your shower to activate it. Turn the water to a comfortably warm temperature, something soothing but not too hot. Stand so that the warm water directly hits the area around your DU14 point for 5 minutes. Feel the warmth spreading through your body as it stimulates yang energy and enhances circulation. Now, if you saw my previous video on hot foot baths, you'll know I'm a huge advocate for using heat to improve circulation and address cold limbs. These two techniques, hot foot baths and targeting DU14 with warm water, work wonderfully together. While the foot bath focuses on warming your lower extremities, stimulating DU14 boosts overall yang energy and enhances the effect. I highly recommend incorporating both practices into your daily routine. Over the years, I've recommended these methods to many patients, and the results have been incredible. People often report feeling warmer, more energized, and even sleeping better. And the best part, it's simple, affordable, and fits seamlessly into your daily life. So next time you're in the shower, take a moment to focus the warm water on your DU14 point, and don't forget to pair it with a relaxing foot bath. Let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little extra warmth in their life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.